Hello and namaste friends. Welcome back in another TPRS mini story lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to read one of greatest story of all time. This story is a very beautiful story of the ant and the dog. So let's start today's story before making further delay, and I will read. You have to answer also after I ask question. You have to answer that statement of that question so that you get better understand and comprehend should be better. So let's get start before making further delay. It was a hot day. How was that day? The day was hot. Was that day cold? No, it was a hot. A little ant was very thirsty. Who was thirsty? A ant was thirsty. Was ant big or little? The ant was little. How much it was thirsty? It was very thirsty. She went to a river to drink water. Where she went? She went to a river. Why she went to a river? She went to a river to drink water. Just then she lost her balance. What she lost? She lost her balance and fell into the water. Where she fell? She fell into the water. Was she fell into the well? No, she fell into the water. She cried, help, help. What she cried? She cried, help, help. A dog was sitting in a tree. Who was sitting in a tree? A dog was sitting in a tree. He heard the ants cry. What he heard? Did he hear a laughing? No. He heard the cry of help, help by ant. He heard the ants cry. The dog dropped a big leaf into the water. What the dog dropped? He dropped a big leaf. Was that leaf small or big? The leaf was big. Where he dropped that leaf? He dropped that leaf into the water. The ant climbed. The ant climbed onto the leaf. Where she climbed? She climbed onto the leaf. The leaf floated to the river. The leaf floated to the river. Where the leaf floated? The leaf floated to the river bank. In this way, the ant was saved. Who was saved in this way? In this way, the ant was saved. After some time, how many times? After some times, the ant saw a hunter. What she saw? She saw a hunter. He had pointed his arrow at the dog. What he had pointed? Why he had pointed his arrow? He wanna kill to dog. He pointed his arrow at the dog. Where he pointed at his arrow? He pointed his arrow at the dog. He wanted to kill him. Why he wanted to kill him? Because he wanna profit just by killing. The ant crawled up the hunter's foot. Where the ant crawled up? The ant crawled up hunter's foot. What he did? What she did? She bit him. She bit him. Ouch! Cried the hunter, and his arrow dropped. What she cried? She cried, ouch. Who cried? The hunter cried. And his arrow dropped. What dropped? His arrow dropped. The dog was saved. Who was saved? The dog was saved. The ant and the dog helped each other. Who helped each other? The ant and the dog helped each other like good friends. How they helped? Like a good friends. Was there any bad friend? No, there were good friends. We had, and this is story, we had come to the end of this story. Let me read the moral of this story. A friend in need is a friend indeed. This is the moral of this story. Always have a friendship of those who actually help you in your need. I hope you understood today's story. If you have any question, you can comment me in the comment box. I will reply your questions, and any doubt you have, you can ask me in the comment box. I will reply surely if I have time. Now you have to read, you have to revise this lesson 2, 3, 4 times so that you understand it better, and take a note of all vocabulary which you don't understand. See you in the next episode in mini story lesson. Till that, happy learning, happy reading. Enjoy your language learning journey with mini stories. See you in the next episode. Bye. Have a nice journey.